Guys, so the point -1/8 defines the line segment AB internally such that AP, the ratio of AP to PB is 3:1. The coordinates of A are 5 minus 1. Find the coordinates of B. Okay, draw a quick diagram just to explain to yourself what's going on. Here's A. A is 5 minus 1. Somewhere in here there's going to be a point P where this is going to be 3 times bigger than this one here, which is the point B. Now guys, what's the formula for internal, will somebody call out me the formula for the internal line segment please? Bx1 plus X2 all over B plus A.
Yeah.
And then the other one's exactly the same, By1 plus A Y2 all divided by B plus A. Now guys, this doesn't matter of making a list and sticking to it. Okay, B is going to be, the coordinates of B is going to be, give a letter, X and Y. Okay, X and Y, is that right? No, it's not X and Y, it's just X and Y. So just give me a second. Okay, so what happens here is we're going to make a list, okay? A is 3, B is 1, X1 is 5, Y1 is minus 1, Y1 is minus 1, X2 is X, and Y2 is Y. Okay, now what we know about the two of these is the following. We know that this here turns out to be, we know this one here is going to be minus 1 because that's the X value, and we know the Y value is going to be 8. So that's what we do know. So we have two different equations. Start off with the green equation. Bx1 is going to be number 1 multiplied by, what's x1? 5 plus A times x2?
3 times x.
3 times x, all divided by 1 plus 3. We're going to get 5 plus 3x over 4. And what do we say that has to equal? Minus 1. By this logic, 5 plus 3x has to equal minus 4. Bring over 5 and we get minus 4 minus 5. 3x equals minus 9. X therefore must be the point, x is minus 3. Okay? Who got that much out? If anybody. Okay. Now that's done. We'll just shrink it there. Leave it here. Okay. Now I'm on the blue part, just this part here. And on the blue part, we know that it's the Y values, and we know that the answer has to be 8. So it's by1, which is going to be 1 times y1 minus 1, plus ay2, which is 3 times y, all over b plus a, which is going to be 3 plus 1, or say 1 plus 3, which is 4. And then all of that has to equal the number 8. Once again, we put it in, we get the bottom is going to be, as Connor said a second ago, it's going to be the number 4. Then we're going to cross multiply up to 4, and we're going to get minus 1 plus 3y equals 32. Bring the 1 over the other side, it becomes a plus 1. 3y equals 33. Y therefore equals 11. The point we're talking about, point B, therefore is going to be 11, and what's the other number? Minus 3, 11. Okay, so that's its point. Are we happy with that?
This is 9.
Yes. Okay. Okay guys, continuing on. Number 11. A is a point on the x-axis, B is a point on the y-axis. If that is the case, call the x-axis point x0, call the y-axis point 0y. P is 9 minus 8, and it divides AB internally in the ratio of 4:3. Find the coordinates of A and B. A equals 4, B equals 3, x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 equals x, y1 equals 0, x2 equals 0, y2 equals y. What's the formula again? Is it bx1, is it?
Yes.
bx1 plus ax2 all over b plus a, comma by1 plus by2, ay2. So you look at the formula, and that is all over b plus a again. Alright, let's fill this in. Now, once again, like last time, you know that this one here has to be equal to what? 9. And this one here? Minus 8. So there we go. Now we're pretty much in business here. Okay, so let's start off with the red one. The red one, bx1, 3x plus a times x2, which is 4 times 0, all divided by b plus a, which is 7. That equals 9. 3x therefore is equal to 63. X equals 21. That's it done. That's the x value already done. Okay. So where does it cross? What is the point A now? The point A is what? 21, 0. Okay, guys. Now we're on the next one. Okay. The next one is the point B. Okay. It's the point B we're looking for. We're looking for the y value. So once again, we're going to do the same thing. by1 is going to be 3 times 0 plus 4 times y, because it's 4 times y2, or 8 times y2. On bottom is going to be 7, and this all equals 8.
Minus 8.
Huh?
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Thank you. Okay. 4y equals minus 56. Y therefore is going to be minus 56 divided by 4 minus 14. So this point is going to be 0 minus 14. Okay. Next one. Can I rub this out? Okay. The next one, lads. Same list as last time. Okay, this is for number 12. And in number 12 it would go something like this, okay? It'd be A is 3, B is 2, X1, Y1, 2H, 3K, X2, Y2, 12H minus 17K. Once again, the formula, or the last thing I should have rubbed out. BX2, is that right? BX1, sorry, AX2, B over A, BY1, AY2, all over B plus A. Alright guys, once again, this time we don't know what C is, so we're looking to find out what the X and Y coordinate are. What is the point that is in the middle, or somewhere along in between the two lines, that makes this work. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fill in the formula. So what we get is this: bx1 2 times 2h plus x2 a times x2 3 times 12h, excuse me, all over a plus b, which is 5. What that is going to be is 40h over 5, which is 8h. AH is the x coordinates, not the y coordinates. Okay, now we're doing the y coordinates. We do it in red. And what we get here is 2 times y1, 2 times 3k, plus 2 times minus 17k.
3 times.
Sorry, it's 3 times, you're right. It wouldn't have worked otherwise. Minus 3 times 17k, all over 5. And what that's going to get me is, it's going to get me 6k minus 51k, which is minus 45k. Minus 45k divided by 5?
5.
Minus 9k. AH minus 9k is the answer there.